It's Maya from the Grain Free Library, here to share another story time with you. Is everyone enjoying the snow? Are you keeping warm? It's been cold lately, hasn't it? I want to welcome everyone who's watching, and let's sing hi to our friends. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hi to Anna and Peter and Andrew and Kate, Quinn and Suri and Stanley and Henry and Lydia and Parker and Ava and Veda and Ella and Charlie and me. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. All right, great job as usual, guys. Let's sit down. Show me those hands. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Okay. What season have we been talking about? Starts with the letter W. Winter. Very good. Let's get our board and we'll spell that and the name of our month, which is January. Right. Let's start with the month. January. January. Very good. How about winter now? You ready? WINTER. Winter. Excellent. I think next time we get together we'll be in a new month. Yeah. How about that? So today, let's get our calendar. Today is Wednesday, January 26th. So we need to put little seals on which 7 days? Help me out here. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So you give me a minute while I get the glue on those numbers. And then you help me get the seals on, okay? There we go. I'll get my little 7 seals here. Oh, they're kind of sticking together. Oh, there we go. Takes me a minute sometimes to get them. Hopefully not drop them. Okay. I'll set them right here. And ready? All right. 20. Oh, the 20 is way over there. 21. 22. 23. We're getting it. 24. 25. And the last one, number 26. Look at that. Our snowman, or our polar bear calendar is almost complete. I'd like to talk a little bit about what animals do in the winter. Now, some animals hibernate, which I think we mentioned that a couple weeks ago. That means they find a safe place like a den or a cave, and they stay there for weeks or even months at a time in a kind of sleep. All right? And bears and skunks and chipmunks and snakes are some of the animals that hibernate. Then other animals leave. Yeah, and they go where it's warmer and it's easier to find food. And we say they migrate. Can you say that word? Migrate, right? Certain kinds of birds and whales and butterflies migrate, like monarch butterflies. And some animals adapt. And that means they learn to survive in the cold and the winter. Now, there are some animals that live where it's cold and snowy most of the time. Animals like the Arctic fox and the polar bear, like on our calendar, and the snowshoe rabbit and the Arctic wolf live in the Arctic, and they've adapted to the climate with things like thicker fur, and especially on their paws because they're walking in the snow all the time, and lots of body fat. And a lot of them, their fur is white. so they can blend in with the snow. Now, how do you think people adapt in the winter? I think one way is by wearing extra clothes if they go outside. And we know all about that, right? We even have a song about it. So let's sing It Is Winter. And I've got our snowman. We're not outside today, so you won't see me dressed. But we'll dress our snowman, okay? Here he is. Ready? It is winter, it is winter. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Here I have my coat. There we go. Let's get him on there so he's warm. Here I have my coat. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Okay. It is winter. It is winter. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Here I have my what? Hat. Here I have my hat. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? All right. Let's put on something else. What should we put on? Scarf? Okay. It is winter, it is winter. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Here I have my scarf. Here I have my scarf. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? How about something on his feet? I tricked you. Boots? Okay. It is winter, it is winter. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Here I have my boots. Here I have my boots. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Almost lost one of his boots. Something that goes on his hands. Mittens? All right. It is winter. It is winter. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Here I have my mittens. Here I have my mittens. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? All right, our snowman friend is ready to go out there, isn't he? Okay. Let's put him somewhere. We'll put him back down here. How's that? All right. So let's see. I have 3 books that I want to tell you about today. The first is a nonfiction book, and it's called Arctic and Antarctic. And it's written by Lorrie Mack, all right? And in this book, you can learn about the animals and the climate in these cold places. And you can, see, look, there's a polar bear. He's kind of white, yeah? And you'll see, I think the Arctic fox is in there and other animals too, okay? Then we also have 2 fiction books. And the first one is called Winter Dance, and it's written by Marion Dane Bauer with illustrations by Richard Jones. And in this story, a fox gets lots of advice from different animals on how he should get ready for winter. So check that one out, okay? And the last one, William's Winter Nap, all right? Written by Linda Ashman with illustrations by Chuck Grunick. Now, a little boy named William, he's snuggled in his bed and he's ready for a winter's nap, right? But then one by one, animals, they tap on his window and they want to come in and get in the bed with him and get warm. How many animals do you think can fit in William's bed? Well, let's see. On the cover, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 with William. Looks like a porcupine maybe, and a raccoon, and a mouse. I'm not sure what that one is. Maybe it's a beaver. I don't know. You're going to have to read the story and see how many animals can fit in there with William. All right. So I'll take all those books back to the library, and they'll be ready for you to borrow in a couple of days. For our art project today, we're going to make an Arctic fox using a paper plate. And you also need some white tissue paper. All right. And you're going to need some black and white construction paper, a stapler, scissors, and some glue. First, have an adult help you. All right, you want to cut your paper plate in half. I've got all my pieces here, just a second, and I'll show you. All right, so you want it cut in half, and that's going to be the fox's body. All right. Then you want to take the other half of the paper plate and you want to fold it over so you've kind of got a cone or a triangle shape like this, and then staple that so it stays, and that is the head of the fox. All right. Then you want to staple that to the body, kind of like over here somewhere. All right. Then you need to take your white construction paper and cut out 2 triangles, and they're going to be the ears, kind of like that. All right. And also cut out 4 rectangles. Remember we said rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Those are going to be the fox's legs. Okay. So we got that, and we got that, and what else do we need? Oh, you need a tail. All right. Kind of just a long curvy thing. Okay. And you want to staple the tail to the paper plate, and then you need to have an adult help you cut your tissue paper. You want it in little squares, you know, not perfect squares, but roughly squares, maybe about 1 inch in size, and you kind of need kind of a lot. All right, I kept my extras in a baggie so I didn't lose them, which is a good idea because that happens. Okay, now you want to put glue on the head and the body and the tail of the fox, and then you want to take all that white tissue paper and you want to put it all over, cover them all up, okay? Set that aside to dry. Then take your black construction paper and cut 3 small circles, 1 for the nose and then 2 a little bit bigger for the eyes, okay? And you want to glue those on the head, and then you want to glue on the 2 ears and the 4 legs, and I'll show you. Here's my finished one, okay? There he is. See, we've got the triangles for the ears, and there's our rectangles for the legs, and a funny tail shape. Okay, I think it looks kind of like an Arctic fox. And there he is, ready to go. Okay, you know what? That is all I have for today, guys. Now you take care, and thanks for watching. Oh, wait a minute. That's right. I wanted to do an experiment with you. We haven't done a science experiment in a while. How would you like to make an exploding snowman? It's pretty fun, all right? So let's go in the kitchen and... Okay, guys, you ready to do our experiment? All right, this is going to be fun, but like any experiment that we do, you need to have adult supervision. So make sure you have an adult with you, okay? Now, you also want to make sure you have your table covered. I have a tablecloth on mine, and I also have a plastic tray that I'm going to put everything in, and that way it'll keep the snowman contained when it explodes, in theory. So you're going to need some baking soda, alright, and you're going to need some white vinegar, and you're going to need a Ziploc baggie, you know, about a sandwich baggie, alright, and a spoon and either a tissue or a piece of paper towel. And you need 2 permanent markers. Okay, so first thing you want to do is draw your snowman's face on your baggie. Eyes and a nose and a mouth. Now I tried using washable markers, but it didn't show up. So you've got to use a Sharpie, a permanent one, alright? Orange and black, alright? And draw some eyes and his nose and a mouth. And I'll show you, hopefully you can see. Can you see his snowman's face on there? Okay. Then you need about a cup of white vinegar, which I already have measured out. And then you need about 3 teaspoons of baking soda, alright? Which I thought I had this open, but I don't. So that wasn't good planning on my part, was it? Okay. Oh, actually, that's right. I have it in a bag over here. I forgot. Okay. That's alright. So we're going to kind of like nice heaping ones on there. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Put that over there. Now we're going to pour the vinegar, our cup of vinegar, into our baggie with the snowman face on it, alright? And there it goes. I'll just get that out of the way. I'll set that right there like that in a nice tray. Keeps it straight so it doesn't tip over. Then we've got our 3 teaspoons, like I said, of baking soda on our paper towel. And we're going to kind of fold that up so it has kind of a little pocket. Like that, the baking soda's in there. Now, this is a kind of a little bit tricky, and it helps if you have extra hands. We're going to take the pouch of the baking soda, and we're going to put it inside the Ziploc baggie, but we've got to zip the bag quickly when we're ready. So we want to put it in first, but we don't want it to touch the vinegar right now, okay? So we kind of hold it in there like that. I've got to pay attention to what I'm doing. See if you've got your mom or your dad or somebody that can help you. And you can hold it while one person holds the baking soda pouch. You can get the other part hooked together. And the good thing is when you use the Ziploc bag, you can hear it snap, you know, so you know you've got a good seal. Alright, I think maybe we have it there. Alright. Now, does anybody know what might happen when we let the baggie or the baking soda go down and touch the vinegar? Well, when the vinegar and the baking soda meet, there's going to be a chemical reaction, and it's going to make gas, which will make the baggie get bigger and bigger and bigger until there's too much gas inside it, and it's going to pop. Now, I tried this yesterday just to see if it worked, and it did. It blew a hole right in the beginning, right in the middle of the Mr. Snowman baggie here, okay? So that's why I have it on the plastic tray. Alright, so there it is. He's in there with our snowman face. Are you ready to see what happens? I'll put it down and then maybe I'll hold the tray up a little so maybe you can see better. Are you ready? Okay. There he goes. Can you see it getting bigger and bigger? I'll probably jump if it pops, even though I know it's going to happen. How big do you think it'll get? I don't know. I forget. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's also making a swizzling noise too. It's getting pretty big. Oh! Did you see that? Wow, look at that. That was an even bigger pop than the one I had yesterday. Well, we did it, guys. What do you think? That is definitely an exploding snowman. So if you try this at home, you remember, you have supervision, okay? It's a fun thing to do together. Well, that's really all I have for today, guys, all right? You take care, and thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.